So hello guys, welcome again to my channel with another opportunity and scholarship guys. Today I will be taking you through information about the fully funded scholarships guys. It's one of the prestigious countries and universities. It's in Indonesia guys. One of the universities in Indonesia offering fully funded scholarships for all levels guys, for bachelors, for masters, for doctoral, also for diploma. Guys, it's very prestigious guys. I want you to subscribe to my channel guys, watch the video until the end because I will be telling you some important parts, and share the video with your friends guys, and take your cup of coffee with me and let's get started guys. So this is the official website of the faculty of the University of Bengkulu guys. This is the official website of this university that is offering fully funded scholarship for academic year 2026, as you can see 2027. So let's read some information about the scholarship guys. So I encourage you to prepare your documents and apply for this scholarship because they're offering fully funded scholarship in very prestigious programs guys, including in some medical programs guys. So we will be reading some information about this scholarship guys. So admission requirement guys for the scholarship. What are the admission requirements, academic and admission requirements guys? Education qualification, a high school diploma or equivalent for bachelor's programs. So if you are applying for bachelor's, make sure that you have high school diploma and your transcripts with you to apply for bachelor's fully funded scholarship, and a bachelor's degree for master's programs. And if you're planning to apply for master's guys, you should have your bachelor's degree with your transcripts so you can apply for master's fully funded scholarship. And a master's degree for doctoral programs guys. If you're applying for doctoral PhD, you should have your master's degree certificate, and transcripts with you to apply for the scholarship. So diplomas obtained outside Indonesia must be officially recognized by the Indonesian Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology. Yes, you need to recognize your diploma. If your diplomas are outside of Indonesia, you can go to this site and you can recognize your diplomas here guys. It's very important. So academic transcripts guys, the academic transcript must be legalized and translated into English or Indonesian by a certified sworn translator. It's very important guys. It's also a place to mention here guys. So if you're in some countries, I know that their diplomas, their high school or bachelor's diplomas with transcripts are in English. When they are in English, there are no need for translation guys, but be careful guys when they're in English, but they need to be authentication is very important. They need to be legalized instead of translation. But if your documents are not in English, for example, or Indonesian, you need to translate them and legalize them, both of them. So when you translate them, then you should legalize them. But when your transcripts and your documents are already in English, you just need to legalize them. But until the process of applying, you don't need to legalize them. Maybe in the next stage they want you to legalize your documents. It's very important, not only for this scholarship but for all scholarships. So they're also mentioned here. The academic transcript must be legalized and translated into English or Indonesian by a certified sworn translator. It's very important. So what are the language requirements for this fully funded scholarship guys? A minimum TOEFL ITP score of 450 up to 500, or an IELTS score of 5 or 5.5 is required for international classes guys. It's very important. I know they need IELTS, but it's a very low scores, not too much. Then they don't expect you to have very high top scores in IELTS or TOEFL. It's 5 guys, just B2 level in certification, or B1 level I guess. So you need to have this. But if you have a problem submitting your TOEFL, if you don't have any TOEFL and IELTS, I will be showing you their contact information later in this video. We're going to watch the video until the end. In the next stage, I will be showing you some contacts and WhatsApp of them, WhatsApp information that you can contact them and ask them that you have not TOEFL and IELTS, you don't have them, but instead if you can submit the certificate of English, for example B1 or B2 certificates of in some countries, in some learning centers, they offer you certificates B1 B2 if they accept it. So I will be showing you in the next step. So this was the language requirement, guys. What are the documents requirements for this applying for this fully funded scholarship? A passport valid for at least 18 months, guys, is very important. Recent passport size photographs with a red background. Be careful, in some scholarship they ask you to with a white background, but in this scholarship they are asking for a red background photograph for multiple 6 centimeters and 4 centimeter sizes. It's the size of the photographs that is used for passports. Also you need this size photograph, also a valid passport, a medical certificate, and a drug-free certificate issued by a licensed physician or authorized healthcare institution. This is very important. If you watched my other videos about scholarship, I always tell you guys that you need a medical certificate to apply for most of the scholarships, if not for all of them. They ask you to submit your medical certificate. As I told you before, you can take this from your local hospitals or clinics or private hospitals or clinics. In some countries they are cost free. I mean, they don't charge you. In some countries they charge you some money, not too much. So you need medical certificate is very good. And the other required document is a motivation letter and study plan. You should have a motivation letter and study plan. I will be recording a video on how to write a winning scholarship and admission motivation letter in the future videos. And a study plan, guys, you should include in your motivation letter and study plan should be two different separate pages, and you can merge them in one PDF and upload them. Be careful about the motivation letter and study plan. It's very important for selection committee to select you for that program and for the scholarship. So be careful about how you can write, how you can prepare your study plans, your future plans is very important. And the CV, guys, is very important. And these were the required documents for the scholarship, guys. So make sure to prepare all of your documents. It's not too much complicated documents. So it's very prestigious university and scholarship is fully funded, guys. So what this scholarship covers is very important for us as international students, guys. The importance of the coverage of scholarships are very important for us, especially the students that they're applying from the developing countries. You know that the cost of paying for university and accommodation is too much high to, for example, to study moving abroad and to study in other country. So this is very important, this part. So what this scholarship covers, as it's fully funded scholarship, is tuition free, guys. The full tuition fee will be covered. If you're applying for bachelor's, the 4 years tuition fee will be covered. Settlement allowance, it means accommodation, guys. Is help for accommodation, settlement allowance. So living allowance 2000k per month is for currency of the Indonesia. The living stipend of 2000 in their currency will be given for you per month. It means that until the 4 years it will be given for you, guys. Health insurance is very important. This also will be covered. 150k per month will be given to cover your health insurance. Also accommodation allowance 250k per month is very important for accommodation. If you're if you are staying, for example, if you stay in hostels or dormitories, the fee will be covered from the scholarship. Airfare allowance, guys, is very important, guys. You know that this international students, they're applying from different countries. For example, from other countries, the ticket fees, the airplane ticket, you know that you will be that you will travel in Indonesia from other countries will be covered, guys. When you come to Indonesia, if you're selected for the scholarship, guys, the ticket for airplane will be given to you. And when you finish your studies, for example, in summer, for example, in vacations, when you finish 1 year of studies, and if you want to go back to your country to visit your family, in the holidays, for example, in the summer, 3 months in most of the countries, the 3 months of vacation will be given between the academic semesters, guys. At that time, you can go to your country, visit your family, guys. You need your ticket and airplane ticket, and this ticket also will be covered by this scholarship. It's very important, guys. So prepare your documents and apply for this scholarship as soon as possible, guys. So the other important part is the dates, guys. So it's already opened. This scholarship already opened on 1st of the May 2026, guys. It has time until the 10th of July 2026. It's very important, guys. You will have time until the 10th of July. So you have time full June and July. So you will have more time. You will have 1 month, less or more, to apply for the scholarship. I know that you can apply for a scholarship and prepare your documents, guys. You have until 10th of July 2026 to apply for this scholarship. And implementation and assessment of independent selection is from 13th of July up to 18th of July 2026. And acceptance notification, the offer letters, if you're selected, will be sent via the portal that I will be showing you in next step, is between 19th of July and 24th of July 2026. So the registration for courses in the university begins from 27th of July until the 31st of July 2026, guys. So these days are very important. Be careful about these dates. So you have less or more 1 more month to apply for this scholarship, guys. It's not too much complicated. So study program of faculty mathematics and natural sciences. These programs are covered for this scholarship, guys. Be careful about this programs, guys. So the most of the prestigious programs are covered, guys. You can see Diploma of Pharmacy, Diploma of Science Laboratory, Bachelors of Mathematics, Bachelor of Chemistry, Bachelor of Pharmacy, guys. It's very, you know, that is prestigious program that they're offering Bachelors of Pharmacy for the scholarship. Is very good. Bachelor of Physics, Bachelor of Biology, Bachelor of Geophysics, Bachelor of Statistics, Master of Statistics, Master of Chemistry, Master of Biology. Is very good programs, guys. I will put the information in the description, guys, so you can read it by yourself correctly, guys. So International Office of University, guys. This is the information, the address of email address of the physical address of this university, guys, and the contact persons. So if you have any questions, as I told you, related to English language certificate or any other languages and any other admission and application process, if you have any problems, any questions, you can contact them through these numbers, guys. This is their official WhatsApp number. They have a WhatsApp, you know that they put the 2 WhatsApp number. One is for Faisal, the guy that is responsible for this number. The other person is responsible for this number is Alvin. So you should contact them, and if you have any questions, problems through the application process, you can ask from these persons. So here another information about the same information that we already had here. I showed you here, guys, about this scholarship. Is very fully funded, guys. Be sure about this. It's fully funded scholarship. Is information. I will put this information in the description. Also, you can read it correctly by yourself, guys. So diverse study programs offered, guys. Let's read some information. Also here you can see the scholarship covers a wide range of degree levels spanning from diplomas to postgraduate studies. Eligible programs include diploma programs, D3, pharmacy, science laboratory, bachelor's program, for example, mathematics, chemistry, pharmacy, physics, biology, geophysics, statistics, master's program, statistics, chemistry, biology, guys. The scholarship coverage, as I told you, tuition fee, settlement allowance, everything that I showed you before is mentioned here, guys. The documents are also the same. I showed you. The important part is how to apply, guys. Here is the important part. So interested candidates can submit their application online through official admission portal, guys. This is the link So I already opened it, guys. This is the admission portal, official admission portal for the scholarship and this university, guys. You can create your account here. You can enter your full name according to your documents and your email, active email, and your country, and you will create a password here, guys. Then you will have created an account here. After creating an account, you will be asked about the personal informations here, about the educational informations, and there are the sections that you should upload your documents there. So after completing all the sections, guys, just you will click submit button. There's a submit button. You will submit your application, and your application will be submitted, and you will wait until they decide about your application. And if you're selected, then you will be notified through email, guys. And this portal, you can see track your application from this portal also. I will put this link in the description also. So other important link is the programs page, guys. For further inquiries regarding the faculty and specific programs, candidates may visit this. This is the guys programs portal or page. I will show you guys. This is, you can see that I will put this information link in the description also, guys. So you can see the range of programs here from Faculty of Agriculture, Faculty of Economics and Business, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Law, Faculty of Mathematics. From any different faculties, you can see different programs here, guys, in bachelors, masters, and diplomas. So the other important is this is the email address, guys, official email address. If you have any problems, questions, you can ask from this email address, or you can direct contact them through WhatsApp, guys. These are the numbers, two numbers that they are mentioned here. One is responsible, one number is responsible for Faisal, the other is for Alvin. If you have any questions, any problems through, for example, if you face some technical issues through submitting your application in this portal, you can contact them directly through their numbers provided here, and tell them that you're having problems submitting your applications, or any kind of problems and questions you can ask from them. So the important part is this admission portal, guys, so you can create and submit your application. So I highly encourage you to prepare your documents. You have 1 month, less or more time to apply for this full funded scholarship, and I want you don't miss this opportunity, guys. So apply it as soon as possible, guys. So let's conclude the video here, guys. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, guys, share the video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel as always, like the video, and if you have any questions, suggestions, just let me know in the comment section, guys. Until the next opportunity and next scholarship, guys, take care, bye.